Hello everybody. So this is late night, that is it's around 2. So now what happened, I was facing an issue to turn on my camera from past 5 days, and I can't even understand how should I laugh at myself that I got this issue fixed in fewer seconds. I have tried many things, like I have tried installing the drivers again. I have tried everything. I have opened the Windows PowerShell as well. I have written a code over there as well, and I have run that as well. I have uninstalled it, installed it, given access to the camera, and many of you face this issue of camera not turning on. So yeah, so without wasting a time, because it is very like disturbing to say that it's disturbing to like acknowledge that your camera is not working. So what you have to do is, let me first show you that how it was looking, right? It was looking this way, and I was like getting so much irritated with this thing from past few weeks, and you will not believe how small the solution was, how pity the solution was. And I have tried so many things, like इसको वही कहेंगे कि खोदा पहाड़ निकली चुईया. I have tried so many things. So how we can resolve it in a span of seconds is 1, 2, and 3. Here we go. It's late night and I'm not looking good, but the main thing is that my camera is working. And how it is working? There is this button right above the camera which will turn on the light, and your camera as well. Thank me later.